Hello and welcome to week 15. This is the last week of our class, and this week you will be working on your second exam. We don't have a final exam in here, just a second exam. And so hopefully you had a chance to post in the Flipgrid that was due yesterday. So you can go back into that whether you posted or not and review some of my responses and some of your classmates' responses and questions to kind of help you as an additional opportunity for studying for the final. And so this week, this is the document that you go to. It will explain everything that you need to know for the exam. So you can look through that. It is going to be similar to the last time, except it's going to be all multiple choice and true-false. There aren't any short answer questions. And it begins at 8 o'clock this morning, and it goes through Sunday, the 8th of December. So you'll have 90 minutes to take it, and then you won't be able to go back and edit it after that. And then these are the different concepts that you'll need to know for the exam. So hopefully you've had a chance to look through these already. I will be unable to answer questions this week. I'm going to be in the hospital this whole week. So if you have questions, you can post them to the class discussion board that hopefully your classmates can answer for you. And then when I return next Monday, I will answer any emails. If you have questions about anything else, I will respond then. So if you will just have some patience because I won't be able to get to you this week. And I hope that all goes well. Thank you for a great semester. This is where you go for your exam. So once you start it, you won't be able to stop it. So just be sure you allow yourself enough time to get that finished. And I hope that you have a great week and rest of the semester and holiday break. And please, if you have a chance, complete the online evaluation. I would greatly appreciate some of your feedback to let me know how the course was. I will get back to you in a week. Thanks.